Hey guys, today we're going to talk about the Ferric controller that is installed on the TAKISAWA CNC lathe. TAKISAWA only offer machines with Ferric, and the reason is this controller is very powerful, very reliable. It's installed on 80% of the CNC machine tool industry right now. Uh, this series comes with the conversational programming. So you can, if you have some knowledge of G code, you can use it. And if you want to do something much easier, then you use the integrated or included cycles, if I can say. So you go in turning mode, just select whatever you wish to do. For example, I'm going to program a turning cycle, and it pops up a screen where you follow and enter the values. For example, here I'm just going to tell it I want 0.1 depth of cut, and I want to leave. And as you can see, as I move through the fields, it just switches the second part of the screen just to show me where the parameter is. So now I'm going to tell it I want to keep 20 tau on X, I want to keep 5 tau on Z, and I continue like this. 1, 0, 1, and once I insert those parameters, it will come up with a second window where I will define the geometry that I want to cut. So let's say I want to start at 1 inch and Z0. Then you see here, it's like creating on a CAM system. I will just tell it, okay, I want to go to up 2 inches, insert. I want to have a corner radius with the next line of 0.125. Oh, sorry, 0.125. Okay, then I'm going to go left, so line, left, minus 2. Okay. And you can see that automatically created the corner radius, so I didn't have to calculate the tangency point over there. And I'm going to go up to X 3 inches. This is my final contour. And now I will define the blank, the stop. So I'm going to tell it, okay, this will go Y to Z0. And this is part of the plane. Okay? And I will close the contour. I will close the contour like this. So now the machine will know that it has to cut from a blank part down to that finished contour. I could have programmed a machine part, a pre-machined part, so the machine will have cut only where there is material, so it will not cut air for nothing. Once you have created the contour, you can see that every cycle is about the same. So once you get the grip on one cycle, you mostly know how to program the others. So let's say I want to look at the threading cycle. You see, it's really already familiar with what you've done previously. So that's what it is. If you want, you can then go back to G code, and you could insert some G code programs, G code of your own to help make the part faster. But you can mix and match all of these. So that's about it. Please contact us if you have any more questions.